Creating a Jira dashboard allows you to visualize key project metrics and track progress at a glance. Here's how to create a Jira dashboard effectively. Access dashboard. Log into your Jira and navigate to the dashboard section. Click on Create Dashboard to start. Choose dashboard type. Select whether you want to create a new dashboard from scratch or use a predefined template. Templates offer pre-configured layouts tailored to specific needs, such as agile or service desk dashboards. Name and describe. Give your dashboard a descriptive name and add an optional description to provide context for users. Add gadgets. Gadgets are widgets that display specific data on your dashboard. Click on Add Gadget and select the gadgets you want to include, such as Agile Sprint Burndown, Issue Statistics, or Pie Chart. Configure gadgets. Customize each gadget to display the desired data and metrics. Configure filters, project selections, and other settings to tailor the gadget to your needs. Arrange gadgets. Arrange the gadgets on your dashboard layout by dragging and dropping them into position. Resize gadget and adjust the layout to optimize visibility and usability. Share dashboard. Once your dashboard is configured, share it with relevant stakeholders by providing them with access or sharing the dashboard link. Save and view. Save your dashboard configuration and view it to ensure everything looks as expected. You can always edit and refine your dashboard later as needed.